Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you guys how to customize your phone with iOS 14. Now let's get right into the video. So first and foremost, please upgrade to iOS 14. Then choose a color palette that you like. So just search up on Google just different color palettes, and I decided that I didn't want anything colorful. I just wanted plain black and white because I feel like that is what my aesthetic is. Now look for inspiration. So I checked Pinterest, but Pinterest wasn't updated yet with iOS 14 stuff. So just go on YouTube, and a bunch of YouTubers probably posted other videos on iOS 14. Next, what you want to do is find a good wallpaper. Finding a good wallpaper is key because that's how all your things have to match. All I did was went on Pinterest, searched up my aesthetic, and dragged and dropped pictures onto my desktop that I thought were fitting, and then I somehow just sent it to my computer. I ended up going with like a black and white themed picture. And now download the following widget apps. The first and the most important widget app is probably WIDGETSmith, and this is just like a very creative app. You should also download Photo Widget for pictures. Some optional ones are Color Widgets, Motivation, and Steve Dinosaur. Steve Dinosaur is that like dinosaur game you play when you have no Wi-Fi on Chrome. But yeah. Next is to reorganize your home screen. So just take away all the stuff that was unnecessary and hide some of the pages that you didn't need or you just thought wasn't really that organized. Now what you want to do is create some widgets. So first go on WIDGETSmith and pick whichever size you want. Now you just pick your style. I just did like a day and the date one. Then you choose your font, your tint color, and your background. I did a white background with a black tint color, and I wanted like a border color so that it looked pretty good. And then what you want to do is save that widget. Go on your home screen, scroll all the way down to your WIDGETSmith widgets, and pick the medium one if you chose medium, and then just reorganize it. And here I'm just adding another small one. I did a clock so that it looks very aesthetic, and I also did a white with a black font because I wanted to match the other widget. And now add your app covers. So first what you want to do is find your app color covers. I just went on Pinterest and dragged and dropped it onto my desktop and sent it to my phone. Then what you want to do is pull up shortcuts, and this is the only way you can change the app cover. And what you want to do is go on scripting and choose open an app. Choose the app that you want to open. Here I'm just demonstrating it with Instagram. Then you want to do add to home screen, add Instagram, and choose the picture that you want. I just put this heart picture. And then what you want to do is just save the shortcut. If you don't save it, then the shortcut won't work. Now what you want to do is, after you created all your shortcuts and apps, you want to rearrange your home screen all over again so that it looks very aesthetically pleasing. You need to do this. I just played around with the widgets and the app order, and I finally got my finishing result. It turned out really pretty. I thought black and white wasn't really gonna work as well, but I saw a picture of black and white and I really liked it, so I ended up with that theme. My third page is just all my folders because I didn't want it to be in the app drawer because it's just going to be way too confusing. But yeah, my phone turned out really good. Thanks for watching, and please make sure to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram at boldstudies123, and I'll see you guys in the next video.